Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 1/2 cup dry tapioca pearls, 2 black tea bags, 8 ounces milk, ice, and 1/2 cup sugar for syrup. Bring water to a rolling boil before brewing. Steep 2 black tea bags in 8 ounces of boiling water for 5 minutes to make a strong base. While tea steeps, measure 1/2 cup pearls and set up 4 cups boiling water for the pearls. Make simple syrup by dissolving 1/2 cup sugar in 1/2 cup hot water and cool. Bring 4 cups of water to a vigorous boil, then add 1/2 cup tapioca pearls and stir for the first minute to prevent sticking. Keep the pot uncovered and simmer pearls for 20 minutes, adjusting heat so they move gently. Do not crowd the pot. After 20 minutes, turn off heat, cover the pot, and let the pearls rest for 15 minutes to finish cooking through. Drain, rinse briefly with cold water. Then toss the pearls into the prepared simple syrup and soak for at least 10 minutes. To assemble, spoon 1/4 cup of syrup-soaked tapioca pearls into the bottom of a tall glass. Add 8 ounces of the brewed tea, then 8 ounces of milk or dairy alternative, and 2 tablespoons of the reserved simple syrup. Add ice to taste. For a creamier texture, pour milk last and gently stir or shake the mixture for 10 seconds to combine. Serve immediately with a wide bubble tea straw, and adjust sweetness by adding more syrup in 1 tablespoon increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.